I love our native plants, their colours bright and bold. They fill my garden with birds and bees, in the hot or in the cold. Grevillea ground covers add splashes of red, or pops of yellow and grey will brighten any bed. Bring in a taller beauty and grow this candy cones. I love our Aussie natives planted round our Aussie homes. The hot purple happy wanderer will climb up wall or trim, and architectural Banksias are sure to make you grin. Now Aussie natives tend to go with the flow, but they still need a bit of food to make them grow. Now, yeah, I can't make this next bit rhyme, but I still need to tell you about these guys. There is a way to feed your natives that doesn't give them chemical phosphorus, and I like to use Eco Amino Grow. And I'm also going to add in some Eco Seaweed. Now this stuff is perfect to help plants through drought and tough times, and it's also safe for natives. So what the bloody hell are you waiting for? Get out there and plant an Aussie native in your garden. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Oi, oi, oi!